Have you ever wondered how a country continually grappling with economic instability manages to introduce a new currency? Take a moment and imagine the complexities involved, particularly in a nation like Zimbabwe, known for its recurring hyperinflation issues. This narrative will guide you through the journey Zimbabwe has taken to combat its economic challenges, culminating in the recent introduction of a new currency. In the midst of economic turmoil, Zimbabwe has made numerous attempts to stabilize its currency, with the most recent being the sixth. This relentless pursuit began back in 2008, with a series of experiments and trials that led to the birth of the Zimbabwe Gold, or ZiG as we know it today. The initial phase was marked by a series of currency changes that were met with skepticism and resistance from the Zimbabwean populace. The reason? Past disappointments with similar initiatives. However, the introduction of the ZiG ushered in a new wave of optimism, as it was backed not only by gold but also by precious minerals and foreign currency reserves. The introduction of the ZiG was a strategic move by the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe, with the aim of tackling inflation and bringing stability to the economy. Despite the initial challenges, such as businesses and government services rejecting old notes, the transition has been largely successful. The Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe set weekly cash withdrawal limits to manage the initial rollout. Individuals could withdraw up to 3,000 ZiG, while corporates had a limit of 30,000 ZiG. The new currency began circulating in the market, and all ZiG banknotes and coins were produced locally, marking a significant milestone in Zimbabwe's economic history. However, the journey has not been without its obstacles. The transition has seen consumers grappling with price hikes and a lack of change. Furthermore, the high value and limited production of the gold coins sparked fears of elite corruption, highlighting the need for more transparent and accountable measures to stabilize the currency. In summary, the introduction of the new currency in Zimbabwe, the ZiG, marks a significant chapter in the country's ongoing struggle with economic instability and hyperinflation. Despite past disappointments and the current challenges, the move signifies a renewed hope for economic stability. Backed by gold, precious minerals, and foreign currency reserves, the ZiG holds the potential to bring about much-needed change in Zimbabwe's economy. However, it remains to be seen whether the ZiG will indeed live up to its promise and bring about the desired economic stability in Zimbabwe.